Hey y'all, I'm not sure how this will work. Let's give it a try here, shall we? Going to try some corn on the cob and maybe some pineapple rings here in a bit. First, for the corn. Oh, I read, leave it in the husk, take it out of the husk. I'll be darned if I know. So, I've soaked it in water. And for purposes of our experiment, maybe I'll try half and half. What do you say? And we'll cover, and we'll see what happens. And need the butter. We'll add some salt and everything but the elote. This stuff is so good. Even have some chili lime seasoning to it, which might be good on one. We'll see how it goes, shall we? As always, I don't have a clue what I'm doing. It is very hot out here today. One thing I've already noticed, butter makes things slippery. See a little peanuts to go in there. Sounds like popcorn, doesn't it? Starting to smell really good already. It should take about 20 minutes, but I won't make you sit through 20 minutes of video this time. Other times I will. Let's let it go for a bit and see what happens. And welcome back from the commercial break. I'd like to thank my sponsors, NASCAR, the NFL, Calcan, Chicken of the Sea, and Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. Oh, it's starting to smell like corn. I know that seems hard to believe, but it's true. What do you think, Baja? Yeah? It really is slippery. And butter's been gone for a little while. Go figure. I think we're better off without the husks, but we'll leave them on until they fall off. And they're already starting to fall off. And let's head to a commercial break, shall we? Okay, and welcome back from the commercial break. We're still cooking. I've added more water for more steam. They're coming along. The two that I left the husk on, the husk is just burning off. So I think I might as well just use huskless corn. Also, I don't know about the rest of y'all, but when the grease and water runs into the trap, you have this thing full of grease and water and food bits and bugs and whatever else decides to get in there. I've been pouring mine into a jar each time I'm done. Kind of like Grandma used to pour everything into a coffee can for grease or whatever. And then I can just toss the jar away when it's full. I'm curious what everyone else uses, though. I really haven't seen an answer to that. I've got some aluminum pans I could fill up, but then you've still got a pan full of greasy water or stuff. I could throw it in the freezer, but the freezer's full of stuff that I want to griddle. Once the grease hardens and water, it's grease and water mixed because you put water on everything. And that's one thing I'm still trying to work out. It's the Blackstone isn't perfect because you have to. Ooh, that's getting hot. You have to deal with things like grease and water. Oh man, that smells so good. Seriously, y'all. So good. You don't eat corn. It's getting softer. Ooh, that's getting cooked, so yeah. That's soon. This is what happens when we steam. And now, I'm going to go ahead and try some pineapple rings. Let's see how this goes, shall we? Butter. It gets hot. These are canned, so I am cheating. And this side's turned down to all the way low. Okay. That one's cheating by sticking together. And another one sticking. There we go. These won't take long at all, I don't think. Ooh, pineapple juice. Yummy. And I'm going to take a random one or two and sprinkle some cinnamon sugar on. So I hear that's pretty good. These are more for my lovely assistant, the pineapple rings, not just the, actually, I'll probably try the sugar one, cinnamon sugar, but she's more the sweet tooth, I'm the savory tooth. Just look at that. Uh-oh. Stay in your lane, bro. These are getting close. And I think, just so I can remember which ones I put what on, I'll season hers once it's inside. And I will go ahead and sprinkle some Trader Joe's stuff on mine. Oh. Maybe even a little chili lime. Give it a little flavor. Don't know how I lived without a Trader Joe's all these years. I've got a spice bucket right now in my supply bucket that I just know one day I'm going to light the griddle and forget to pull that out from underneath. And I'm going to have melted plastic with all my tools and stuff inside. Okay, let's try flipping a little. Oh yeah, look at that. It's not sticking to the griddle because it's seasoned properly. It's sticking to the spatula. So, let's take a look, shall we? Corn and pineapple rings. It's looking good to me. I'd say this might be a successful experiment. What say you, Baja? Okay, and that's a wrap, y'all. I'll have to do some taste testing now. Thanks for watching again. Bye.